Today, we're excited to show you how to use an electronic nose to tell the difference between the scents of coffee beans and garlic. The probe on this device is equipped with 4 sensors: VOC, hydrogen sulfide, odor, and smoke, that send real-time data to UniHiker K10 for analysis. Before you start, plug in the power and wait for about 3 minutes. This stabilizes the device and sensors, ensuring you get the most accurate test results. It's super easy to use. Just stick the probe into the container holding the odor source and press the A button on the K10. The K10 will start collecting data from the sensors, which takes only 800 milliseconds, and you'll see a real-time chart of the sensor readings on the screen. Once the data is collected, the K10 will fire up a pre-trained model to analyze it. In just 3 milliseconds, the result pops up on the screen, telling you whether it's coffee beans or garlic you're smelling. After each test, give the probe a quick blow with a fan to clear out any leftover odors so the next reading is accurate. Follow these steps, and you'll reliably detect the aroma of coffee in no time. With its 4 sensors and lightning-fast inference algorithm, this electronic nose is a fun and accurate way to distinguish between the scents of coffee beans and garlic.